An assumption log is a document that lists and tracks the assumptions that are made or were made during the course of a project. Assumptions are statements or beliefs that are made without sufficient evidence or confirmation, and they can impact the planning and execution of a project. An assumption log is used to identify and document these assumptions, as well as to monitor and review them as the project progresses. Assumption logs may be about resources, about stakeholders, about risks, external factors, and so on. By documenting and tracking these assumptions in an assumption log, organizations can better understand and manage the potential impacts that may have on the project. This can help to ensure that the project is completed successfully and that any issues or challenges that arise are addressed in a timely manner. Overall, an assumption log is a valuable tool for organizations looking to manage the risks and uncertainties associated with the project. By regularly reviewing and updating the log, organizations can better understand and respond to the various factors that may impact the project. Some of the ways that assumption logs can benefit a project would include improving decision making. By identifying and documenting the assumptions that are being made during the course of a project, organizations can better understand the potential impacts and implications of these assumptions. This can help to inform decision making and improve the chances of project success. For example, if an assumption is made that a particular technology will be available for the project, this may impact the overall timeline and budget of the project. By documenting this assumption in the assumption log, the project team can better understand the potential implications and make informed decisions about how to proceed. Reducing risk. Assumption logs can help to identify and track potential risks that may arise during the course of a project. By regularly reviewing and updating the log, organizations can better understand and respond to these risks, which can help to reduce the overall risk profile of the project. For example, if an assumption is made that a particular vendor will be able to deliver materials on time and this assumption turns out to be incorrect, it could impact the overall schedule of the project. By regularly reviewing and updating the assumption log, the project team can better understand and respond to this risk, which can help to reduce the overall risk profile of the project. Enhancing communication. Assumption logs can also help to improve communication between team members and stakeholders. By documenting and sharing the assumptions that are being made, organizations can ensure that everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goals. For example, if an assumption is based or made that a particular feature will be included in the project, it is important to communicate this to all relevant stakeholders to ensure that there are no misunderstandings or miscommunication. Improving project planning. By regularly reviewing and updating the assumption log, organizations can better understand the potential impacts of these assumptions that are being made. This can help to inform the planning process and improve the chances of project success. For example, if an assumption is made that a particular resource will be available for the project, this may impact the overall timeline and budget of the project. By regularly reviewing and updating the assumption log, the project team can better understand the potential implications and make informed decisions about how to proceed. Overall, assumption logs are an important tool in project management that can help organizations to better understand and manage the risks and uncertainties associated with the project. By regularly reviewing and updating the log, organizations can increase their chances of project success. See you in the next lecture.